In this video we will show you how to send a chart image to Slack using Qlik Application Automation with the Get Chart Image block. To get started, first create a new automation. In this case we are going to use a predefined template. In the reporting section you'll find the template Send a chart image to Slack. Select the Start block and, in the Run Mode drop-down menu, select one of the available options. In this case we select Schedule, and we choose the option to schedule it every month. Click the Select Field Value block, and, in the App ID field, use the DoLookup function to search for the app ID. Fill in the field name and field value with data from the app you have selected. Next, in the Create Bookmark block, add the app ID and select Yes in the Temporary Bookmark drop-down menu. This block is used to create a temporary bookmark that can pass selections to the Get Chart Image block. In the Get Chart Image block, in the App ID field, choose the same app you have selected when creating the temporary bookmark. In the Object ID field, insert the ID of the chart that you want to share. You can find the object ID by opening the sheet containing the object, right-clicking the chart, and selecting Share from the menu. Then select Embed, and the object ID will appear under the chart preview section. For the Bookmark ID, use the output received from the Create Bookmark block. The Condition block checks whether the Get Chart Image block has returned a successful response. If the condition block outcome evaluates to true, the output is to upload file to a Slack channel. Let's fill in the information in this block. First, create a Slack connection or use an existing one. Select the Inputs tab and search for the channel to which you want to send the image to. The file name and the file are pre-filled with the result of the Get Chart Image block. You can also customize the initial comment. If the condition block outcome evaluates to false, the Update Run Title block will specify that the Get Chart Image block failed due to an error. The error block shows an error message from the Get Chart Image block and set the current automation run to be in a failed state. When done, click Run to execute the automation. And here's the result. The chart image will be posted on the Slack channel. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.